creators tools. Okay.
Oh, Linkfolio, Conrad, Beacons, Koji. Very interesting.
Oh my god, I can't think of an idea.
Bro, there has to be got a better way.
Yeah, man. I literally am switching tabs all day long and I still can't find a good tool. What you saw right now was an example of lives of creators. This is a problem that every creator faces. And hence, we created an AI powered website called Contentus. It's a website with all the tools that a content creator could need all on one page, so they do not have to switch up pages on pages and can just create content. So the user first has to click sign in. They have to create an account. They just sign in. So first we greeted with a tutorial. This tutorial helps the content creator get to know of the page and all the features. So first we have the dashboard. It shows the creator DNA, average authenticity, ideas, and the calendar events that are planned. So it also shows the steps that they first must do in order to get their dashboard set up. First, you have to make a creator DNA. So the creator DNA is a really unique feature that we have added to our website. So a content creator mainly struggles to use AI as AI sounds too AI-ish, like it doesn't sound like them, not too like it doesn't sound original, and this sense stops content creators from using AI for generating scripts and content. Hence, we solve this by making a creator DNA. So all the creator needs to do is enter their name, what niche they are, their target audience, what they value, the topics that they love, then the topics that they try to avoid, their tone, writing. They need to upload a writing sample. They can also upload a YouTube URL of a video that they have created, and they can record a voice sample. So then they just click generate DNA, and our AI will take all of this information and generate DNA. So it gives a DNA score, which basically tells the accuracy AI and some other information. Then we have the idea engine. This is used by content creators for generating an idea of what their next video could be. So they enter a topic, goal, and other information. This is all sent to our AI using Featherless API, and it gives an output of an idea. So this idea contains of the title, the description, and a hit or miss. So it predicts whether this idea will actually go viral or it could not go viral. It also gives an authenticity score to see if whether this AI sounds like whether this idea sounds like AI, which platform best use this AI, and the emotions and the basic concept, and there's some other information. Okay. On the bottom, they have a use in scripts, which they click, they will be taken to a script builder. Here, they have preloaded ideas according to their idea generator, and they can select an idea from there, or they can just create a custom idea. They can select the platform, length, and give some other information, which will generate the script. So the script first has an options for the hook, the setups, what are the main points. It also has the scenes, the shot lists, and the B-roll, and some other information, the captions, hashtags, and yeah. So over here they have some options which they can just choose to give the AI information, and they can generate the script again, and they can run an authenticity guard. So the authenticity guard basically checks the script whether it sounds like AI or not. As you can see, once they run the authenticity guard right now, it's giving a sort of 87%, and it gives the percentage on how much on which sounds AI, the honest feedback, what they can fix, and it also gives the rewritten version. And yeah, next we have our ad studio. The ad studio basically is for generating advertisements. In here, they mention what the project type is, the target audience, and other informations. And they click generate ad, which will then send all this information to the AI. A full-on advertisement script, which will contain the project name, the concept, the script, the scenes that they should record, the short list, the storyboard, the voiceover.
Hi, and welcome to your favorite channel. I'm Rishab, and today we're talking about the shoe of today, Nike.
11-lit narration, which they can then download the .mp3, and it generates the visual prompts. Next, we have thumbnail creator. Basically, what it does is it takes the idea from the idea generator, then the user enters information, and it basically generates the thumbnail for the user. As you can see, it just generated the thumbnail. The user can enter some suggestions on how to fix it or etc. And everything is stored in the history in case they want to go back and see the previous thumbnails. Next, we have a voiceover. So this is basically again the 11 Labs voiceover, which they can use in their videos. So it takes the script from the script generator that we had just made, and they can select the voice, which model, stability, and some other information. It will generate the voiceover for the video for them. Next, we have our trend analyzer. So this basically analyzes all the trends present on YouTube using our YouTube API and gives an output of whether the idea, the niche that they've given is actually suitable in that country. So as you can see in the report gives lots of information as like the basic summary, what current musics are famous, the ideas that are currently in use, what how much risk there is if they don't use it, and etc. Next, we have a video checker. So here they get feedback on their uploaded video. This is amazing too, as YouTubers are usually looking for feedback on how their video is, how the thumbnail looks, and they're not able to get it. So what happens is first they upload a YouTube URL, which then gives a feedback of like the hook, the retention, and the pacing, and it checks what the strengths are in the video, how they can improve it, their thumbnail, and the title, and lots more. So we also have a YouTube Plus Growth section where if the content creator can link their channel so they can see all the comments and all the analytics and their views, subscribers, and they can also see it for each video separately, how they can improve it, or how their community is reacting to it, what they can repeat from this video. They also can see what to repeat in the contents, what's working best for them, how some comments can be made into videos, and they can enable posting. So once they click enable posting, it will take them to the community section, which is basically where they select the video and are able to see all the all the comments posted in it. So each comment is marked with a score of whether this is needed to be commented on first, or whether it's just a normal comment or a reaction. So as you can see, it gives all the comments once the video is selected, and they can click on to generate the reply drafts. So what this does is sends all the replies to our AI agent, which will then generate the perfect replies for them. And they can click post replies. Now they have to be signed into the account which the YouTube channel belongs to in order to be able to post replies. So being a content creator, you have to manage lots of events and tasks, which it becomes highly impossible without having a calendar at one place. So what we have done is they can link their Google Calendar, and they can just load all the current events that are already added, and they can even make new ones which are auto synced to the Google Calendar. And yeah, that's Contentus, an AI-powered website with every AI tool a content creator needs, packed into a single place. Because a content creator's genius shouldn't be scattered across 20 different tabs. Thank you.